Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction and Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain Vet is a blockchain platform for logistics management. Work on the project began in 2015 and it saw the light in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed control technologies and the Internet of Things to create an ecosystem that solves the main problems in supply chain management. The platform uses two internal tokens, Vet and VTHO, to manage and create value based on the Vechain public blockchain. The idea is to improve the efficiency, traceability and transparency of supply chains, while reducing costs and putting more control in the hands of individual users. Vechain was created by Sunny Liu, formerly the Chief Information Officer, CIO, of Louis Vuitton China. The second co-founder is Jay Zhang. He leads the global corporate structure, corporate governance and finance of Vechain. Zhang previously worked at Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in finance and risk management. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. Technical analysis. Vechain Vet price prediction. Vechain Vet is a Layer 1 smart contract platform that aims to enable transparent information flow of businesses by digitizing all their operations and solving real-world economic problems, mostly when it comes to the supply chain sector. Vechain consists of a dual token economy model with two tokens, namely Vet and VTHO. In this article, the focus will be on the native token, Vet. It will be a technical analysis of the token using multiple technical indicators on USDT charts, starting with the weekly. Vechain Vet made a bottom in March 2020 as a result of the COVID capitulation. After a steady run-up, a new high was made during the summer of the same year. The Fibonacci levels plotted are measured from that bottom to the top. Two negative extension levels, 382 and -1, are visible that are crucial. In November 2020, Vet made a higher low, right at the 0.382 level, and rallied all the way to the exact negative extension. A weekly demand zone was formed, and Vet rose in value all the way towards the -1 extension level. That all-time high, path, marked the top in April 2021, and the token started trending down for the rest of 2021. The weekly demand zone was tested 2 times and provided clear support. At the beginning of 2022, Vet again tested this demand zone, and so far, it is still providing the support which is needed. In November 2021, it seemed like Vet was ready to escape from the range, however it only deviated above it for a while. Afterwards, a downtrend began, which is still in action. But, in confluence with the deviation above the range highs, it's also highly possible that the opposite from a range high deviation is forming here around the lows. Markets move towards liquidity zones where many traders can be trapped, and liquidity is picked up only to reverse the downtrend. In order to reverse the trend, Vechain bulls have stands at $0.0525. Judging by the price movement, Vet could head towards a near-term support level at $0.0485 if bears take command. Notably, the $0.0528 level has been retested multiple times. Consequently, it has been weakened. The RSI gave mixed signals as it rested at 45.96 level. Furthermore, the DMI lines witnessed a bearish crossover, thus revealing a weak directional trend. Similar to that of XRP and Vet, Tezos, XTZ, projected growth patterns over the last week. On 24 February, the coin received support at the $2.64 level. Following that, it moved up again, to reach a resistance of $3.61 on 1 March. However, post-1 March, XTZ developed a bearish directional momentum. Even though the alt managed to gain almost 7.5% over the past week, it dropped 5.22% over the past 24 hours. During press time, the alt traded at $3.28. The selling pressure kicks in XTZ can go down further to find a floor at $3.09. The RSI at 37.06 reflected the diminishing buying strength. Even the CMF declined below the half line, indicating a slight bearish edge. So next news. Ukraine has received $37 million in tracked crypto donations so far. Based on data gathered by Cointelegraph, the amount of tracked crypto donations sent to the Ukrainian government, military and charities has surpassed $37 million at the time of publication. These include Bitcoin, BTC, Ether, ETH, Tether, USDT, and other altcoins. The numbers are also based on tracked projects, and do not account for items such as donation efforts between individuals. The biggest recipient of crypto donations appears to be the Reserve Fund of Ukraine, backed by the country's native cryptocurrency exchange, Kruna. According to his official Telegram channel, the exchange has raised approximately $13 million in crypto for Ukraine, mainly through BTC, ETH and USDT. Next up, Come Back Alive, a non-government organization that says it's helping the Ukrainian armed forces resistance efforts, has received over $7.2 million in BTC donations at its wallet address. This includes previous, albeit minor, donations it had received during the war in Donbas, which began in 2014. Cointelegraph spoke to Ukrainian crypto enthusiasts about the charity, who vouched for its legitimacy. Then there is Ukrainadao, which is led by Pussy Riots, Russian feminist protest music group, Nadyatala Konnikova, and seeks to sell a single non-fungible token, or NFT, flag to fund Ukrainian civilian organizations. Currently, the highest bid for the NFT stands at $2.89 million United States dollars. Furthermore, activists in the blockchain community have created an on-chain fund to help Ukraine. The initiative supports a plethora of altcoins, including Near, Binance Coin, BNB, Binance United States dollars. Vechain price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Vechain price prediction 2022 Vet has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Vechain, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $0.073. That is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $0.065, a minimum price of $0.063, and a maximum price of $0.073. Vechain price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Vechain will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.097, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2023. Vechain price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Vechain could cross $0.16 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 14 cents. Vet price prediction 2025. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecasts for Vet will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2025 could end with an average bid of 21 cents, and a minimum bid of 20 cents. The maximum bid is expected to be around 24 cents. Vet price forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Vechain price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Vet price will rise to around $0.30 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 35 cents with a minimum price, 29 cents level. Vet price prediction 2027.